Hi, and welcome to Camille's Country Corner. I am Camille, and on today's episode, we will be making some spring rolls, some sausage pork spring rolls. All right, let's get started. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that like button. All right, let's go. For this recipe, you will need some rice papers, some sausage. I'm just using some mild Italian sausage, a couple of scallions, some soy sauce, vegetable oil, an egg, and some pre-made coleslaw mix if you want to take some help from the grocery store. Okay, what I forgot to do is add our garlic and our ginger. So we need a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, whole teaspoon of the garlic powder, we're just going to mix that in. All right, I think we're ready for our next step. Let's put these together and fry them. Okay, I am using rice paper. Hopefully this will work out for us. If not, we'll know for next time. I pulled my hair back because nobody wants hair in their food. All right, so I take the rice paper, and to soften it up, you just submerge it into some water. I'm going to take about a quarter of a cup of our filling. Sorry, my thing is popping over here. All right, we are going to start to roll these. We're going to fold one end, and then we're going to fold the two sides close. It says to seal these with egg wash, but I think the water is going to seal them. Let me do another one. Once you get these wet, boy, they really soften up. I worked with this a long time ago. I was literally a kid with my mother. I remember we made wontons, I think. That was fun. I remember it was so many years ago. I was probably, oh my gosh, maybe 8. And I do recall they were delicious. All right, I'm going to continue to roll these. This one might need some actual egg wash to seal it. All right, let me get these all rolled up, and then we'll throw them in the deep fryer. All right, now we are ready to fry. I got, let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Get 20 out of this, not too bad. All right, I am going to do just a couple at a time. Actually, let me pull my basket out of here and I'll throw a few of them in. All right, we are going to deep fry these for about a minute, 2 minutes on each side. These should get brown. Let me see if I can set you up so you're a little bit closer. Okay, now you can see inside my deep fryer. I guess it's going to be like pancakes. The first ones are going to be ugly. And I'm frying these at 375. Hot work. Just water. All right, this is what they look like once they're done. They didn't really brown that much, but super crispy. Okay, so not the prettiest egg rolls. They didn't quite brown up like I thought they would, but let's see how they taste. I have some sweet chili sauce here. Hear the crunch? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. So good. I will definitely link the recipe below. It could have been my egg roll wrappers or my spring roll wrappers. Maybe I should have used some egg roll wrappers. Maybe those would have browned up better. I will definitely give this another shot. They're so tasty. If you try these, let me know what you think and if you have a better situation of frying them. But I'm glad you came by today. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe and we will have more dishes. Hit that like button and we'll see you again real soon. Thanks for stopping by.